A fun but useful multiplication trick you must know. Let's start with 74 multiplied by 76. First multiply the last digits 4 and 6, 24. Now remaining digits in both the numbers are same, so multiply that digit by the next digit. 7 into 8, 56. Simply 5624 is your answer. Let's apply this to the second question. Multiply last digits 21. Again remaining digits are same. Multiply it with the next digit 14 into 15, 210. Important thing to remember, this only works when sum of last digits is 10 and the remaining digits are same. Let's go for the last one. 2 into 8, 16. 110 multiplied by 111, 12210. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos.